Hello, it's Helen Godden here for block 5 of our Flower Power Quilt Along. This one is based on cone flowers, those flowers with the black large bobbly heads on them. Let's have a look what we're going to do in here. I'm thinking a spiral in the circular area, and again maybe heavy background to have the petals stand out a bit more. I've already done my outlining, my black stitching on the black, so now we're ready to rock and roll. So I hope you are all enjoying my Flower Power Quilt Along. I've seen a lot of people's skills really improve along the way and so many terrific variations. But if you're still feeling like you'd need some more input for your free motion quilting, well, you might be pleased to know that my popular Liberation from the Ditch DVD, although it's completely sold out now, it is available as an online class through my website at helengodden.com. So have a look there for Liberation from the Ditch. So if you have already purchased my DVD with the same title, it is the same content. You can purchase it again if you'd like, but it is the same content, but it's now going to be available as an online class so that anyone can access that. So that could help you with your free motion quilting. Have a look at helengodden.com. You can see there I've drawn an imaginary centre where I think that spiral would actually start, and then I can start to make this spiral that links up to the background, to the black edges, and in that way it'll look like it's behind the flower. I think just some stippling in the background here. Oh, I can see a little spot there that needs the stripes. Perhaps some elongated bubbles to try and get the definition of those flower heads. So you can see I've swapped over those two, the diagonals are the same, so we're going to make these the same. There we go. There's our cone flowers. That's block number 5. And yes, I can see I haven't quilted that one, but you know what? I think I prefer it open, so I might even unstitch that. But you know, it doesn't matter. This is all just good practice and a bit of fun for everyone to join in. So there's my cone flowers, and that little bit of friction pen's going to iron away any minute now. Okay, so that's block 5. I'll see you very soon for block 6 for our Flower Power Quilt Along. Education and inspiration from HelenGodden.com.